Think you need expensive courses and years of experience to start learning ethical hacking? There are dozens of websites offering cybersecurity labs, challenges, research, and hands-on practice. In this video, we're covering 25 websites every aspiring hacker should know in 2026. These are for ethical hacking, cybersecurity learning, and authorized testing. Let's get started. ###1. Try Hack Me. Try Hack Me is one of the best starting points for beginners. It offers guided rooms, practical labs, and complete learning paths covering networking, Linux, web security, and penetration testing. ###2. Hack the Box Hack. The box is designed for more realistic hands-on practice. It includes vulnerable machines, labs, challenges, and advanced cybersecurity training. ###3. Portswigger Web Security Academy. If you're interested in web hacking, check out Portswigger's Web Security Academy. It provides free lessons and interactive labs covering SQL injection, XSS, authentication, APIs, and many other web vulnerabilities. ###4. Pico CTF. Pico CTF uses Capture the Flag challenges to teach cybersecurity. You can practice cryptography, forensics, web exploitation, reverse engineering, and more. ###5. Over the Wire. Over the Wire focuses heavily on Linux, command line skills, networking, and security concepts through progressive challenges. ###6. CTF Learn. CTF Learn provides a large collection of beginner-friendly Capture the Flag challenges across different cybersecurity topics. ###7. VulnHub. VulnHub gives you intentionally vulnerable machines that you can run in your own lab and practice against legally. ###8. Hack This Site. Hack This Site offers practical challenges involving web security, programming, and common hacking concepts. It's an older platform, but still useful for practice. ###9. RootMe. RootMe contains hundreds of challenges covering web security, cryptography, networking, reverse engineering, and more. ###10. Cyber Defenders. Cyber Defenders focuses on the defensive side of cybersecurity. You'll find digital forensics, threat hunting, SOC, and incident response challenges. ###11. Blue Team Labs Online. Blue Team Labs Online is another excellent platform for learning defensive security through investigation and threat hunting scenarios. ###12. Exploit Education. Exploit Education helps you understand vulnerabilities at a deeper level, including memory corruption, binary exploitation, and low-level security concepts. ###13. Pentester Lab. Pentester Lab focuses on hands-on web application security and practical vulnerability testing. ###14. Portswigger Research. Don't just use the Portswigger labs. Its security research is also worth reading to understand how real web vulnerabilities are discovered and analyzed. ###15. MITRE ATT and CK. It's extremely useful for understanding how attacks happen and how defenders detect them. ###16. OWASP. OWASP is one of the most important resources for web security. Its projects, documentation, and top 10 provide a strong foundation for learning application security. ###17. Nmap documentation. Learning Nmap? Don't rely only on random tutorials. The official documentation helps you understand how the network scanning tool actually works. ###18. Wireshark documentation. Wireshark is essential for network analysis. Its official resources can teach you how to understand packets, protocols, and network traffic. ###19. CISA provides security alerts, advisories, recommendations, and threat information that can help you understand real-world cybersecurity risks. ###20 Virus Total is useful for analyzing suspicious files, URLs, and other indicators. It's a valuable resource for malware research and threat intelligence. ###21 URL Scan helps researchers investigate websites by showing technical information about how web pages behave and what resources they load. ###22 Shodan indexes information about internet-connected devices and services. Security professionals can use it to check their own infrastructure for unwanted public exposure. ###23 Security Trails provides DNS and historical infrastructure information, helping researchers understand domains, IP addresses, and changes over time. ###24 CyberChef is a powerful browser-based toolkit for working with encoded, encrypted, compressed, and transformed data. It's incredibly useful for security analysis. ###25 Google search operators. And finally, don't underestimate Google. Advanced search operators can help security researchers quickly organize and locate public information. They're useful for reconnaissance and research when used responsibly.